Welcome Love Doesn't Hurt TV. No news. Today, 4 young people started fasting in Tokat. Our reporter reports from Tokat. Love Doesn't Hurt TV viewers, 4 young people are fasting here. Hello friends. Can you tell us your audience what you did?
Our mother and father live separately. We both live with my mother. Our brothers live with your father. I want my brothers.
I want us to be family. I want to be with my parents and siblings.
Mother and father live separately. We both live with my mother. Our brothers live with our father. I want my brothers. We risk death.
We listen to parents. If their parents don't make peace, children are determined to starve. Now we connect to mom and dad. What is your reason for separation? Domestic violence. We were working together. This woman is ignorant and very ignorant. No, sir. This man is ignorant. I know. Typical business best. No, I know. Typical business. The most beautiful pickle is made with lemon. Yeah, dear audiences, today you have witnessed family. See you in another news. Good days.